SunGard is a company that's different things to different people and organizations. Many people that I run into on a day-to-day basis know SunGard as disaster recovery and availability services, but actually it's a whole lot more to that. SunGard does financial systems, SunGard does higher education and public sector business software solutions. Business process management is what SunGard's business is all about. SunGard's a $5 billion company with global presence around the world, 20,000 customers across 70 countries around the world, 25,000 employees, so it's a pretty big organization. And my role in SunGard is that of a director of project and change management processes. I lead a team of project managers and a PMO who work with other technical teams to deliver technology solutions to business problems. I work specifically in the asset management business of financial systems. That is a segment that deals with institutional investment accounting. Well, my team is involved with the asset management segment, as I noted. That involves hundreds of servers and dozens of applications across the segment. The servers consist of virtual, physical, an ASP environment, cloud-based computing for our customers, as well as internal systems for supporting our own applications in-house. Well, when I came onto SunGard about 2 years ago, I inherited a rather ancient Lotus Notes system. That system, while it served its purpose at the time, was a home-built, custom-made application that predates ITIL-based standards, doesn't embrace ITSM as a concept at all. Has some significant shortcomings. Specifically, it doesn't have integrated processes, it's lacking workflow. And perhaps most important for us is that it does not have any means of an integration of a CMDB. Well, when I did come on and see that we had this problem, I knew we had to do something. So we began a search for a replacement for our Lotus Notes system. We looked at a number of different vendors, Remedy being one, as we had a relationship with them already. We found that throughout our research that Serena looked to be just the right solution for our problem. Well, the system of choice absolutely needed to be ITIL-based. It needed to have an ITSM foundation and platform for integration of processes related to those that are of interest to us, most notably problem, incident, and change management. The workflows was a critical component to simplify and to track the processes, the times, the durations, the statuses of the various requests and issues being addressed. Another major aspect of our need was related to reporting. Reporting is critical for us. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. And so reports in this platform that we've ultimately chosen are dramatically simpler, easier to create, customize, or just take right out of the box. Well, in terms of implementation, we're actually right in the middle of that implementation. While in some cases you could use the application, the Serena SSM application right out of the box, we've chosen to integrate some of our existing processes and some of the back-end systems into the workflows that exist. So our application implementation is taking a little longer than perhaps some others might. We are in the process right now of about a 4-month effort of integrating our customer service support and our technology operations application support organizations into a seamless workflow. Serena's professional service has been a great asset in providing us the foundation from which to build both the application and the expertise. We found in the course of our activities that the application has become easier and easier to customize, to configure, and to administer. We expect SSM to provide us the key components for monitoring and measuring. That's probably the biggest benefit. Workflows, integration of ITIL, ITSM processes, best practices are crucial as well, but it's the ease at which we can manage, configure, and customize the application is where we're going to see the biggest benefit. I see great opportunities to take the processes and the methods that we learn in terms of IT operations and deploy those further across not only our business units specifically, but across other business units within our segment. The opportunity and the capabilities that Serena provides is essentially unlimited in terms of business process management. I see it a year from now, I see SSM as having been deployed in our particular business unit, and while we look at other opportunities within our business, we anticipate going horizontally across our business segment. There's probably 10 additional business units that would have or would be candidates for Serena Service Manager. And while that's going on, we are going to look up and down our physical and local organization for opportunities, whether they're in HR or whether in sales prospect management, things of that nature. Serena's support organization has been great and helpful and instrumental to our success. The sales group has been very thoughtful and very thorough. The professional services have been unbelievable. Their ability to guide us and to direct us and to give us the education that we need to support the application going forward is unprecedented. I have nothing but great things to say about what Serena has provided to us, and I expect the same in the future.